You know, we had snow. That's fine. They'll clear it off. Ain't had snow in a while. It snowed in a little bit. We'll get out. No problem. But we do have a consistent thing that happens over here. Right here. Okay. And over there a little bit. If you arrive home late or there ain't no parking spot, where do you think that's a good choice down there? What if any of them 3-4 vehicles want to get out? Can't. This one right here makes it difficult with snow and ice. You know, people slide just trying to get in and out. People already don't know how to drive. And that is proven day in and day out. But what is this? Forget the part of being selfish and not caring. And I think they simply just don't think. It's like, well, I'll just stop here. So they can't really clear the road well. Got cars there. And you can't really, Just showing. Just showing. And that's just over in this area. Yeah, personally, if I had my car, I'd prefer not to have people run into it. Or, the street, the cleaner to be able to come through once with the stuff. But down there, they basically have blocked them. But they're okay. They're in their places now. They couldn't bother walking from another 50 feet or 100 feet by just parking a little further down. That's fine. As you know the old song, it's all about me, me, me. It's not about you, you, you. And this is a report with Miamisburg J.